If Charlie Munger's attitude on Alibaba is representative of most people's views on Ali, like this.
But I regard Alibaba as one of the worst mistakes I ever made. In thinking about Alibaba, I got charmed with the idea of their position on the Chinese internet. I didn't stop to realize they're still a goddamn retailer.
While fast forward to 2024, and we've got a new CEO, Danny Wu. And what is his mission? To change the way people see Alibaba and lead the company into the era of AI. Now, if you've been keeping up with my videos, you probably saw the coming when Alibaba decided to halt the spin-off of the Alibaba Cloud, right? It was a clear sign that the company is changing course. And now, with CEO himself making some bold statements, Danny Wu said in an analyst meeting after release of second quarter 2024 earnings report. We're at a crucial turning point where traditional computing is shifting towards AI computing. Now, I believe this change is both proactive and reactive. If you catch my drift, they were forced down this path, and here's why. On the night of November 29th, something big happened. PDD, Alibaba's competitor, surpassed Alibaba's market value by whopping $8 billion. Oh my god, they're gonna lose their shine for good. Well, this even got Jack Ma's attention, no doubt. He rarely responds to the post, but this time, he couldn't hold back. He said, "Please share your constructive opinions and suggestions, especially innovative ideas. I believe everyone at Alibaba is watching and listening today, and I firmly believe that Alibaba will change, Alibaba will improve." Just look what they said. So today, we're gonna see just how Alibaba plans to turn things around. I will analyze it from my perspective and share my observations with you, my friend. I'm Sheila Wang, and the go-to source for the latest business and investment news. So don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe my channel. And also, if you are hungry for a more detailed investing report, you can check my analysis report below. Alright, let's dive into today's topic together. Firstly, let's talk about some major shake-up happening over at Alibaba. They're bringing in fresh blood. Young blood. On December 20th, Alibaba announced that their CEO Danny Wu would also be taking on the role of CEO at the Taotian Group. And that's not all. The leaders of other divisions who recently joined the team are all young guys. I'm talking about these 6 managers. Most of them born in 80s. So they're almost 10 years younger on average compared to the previous crew. And let me tell you, they've already made some serious moves. One of Taotian's employees described it like this. It's like someone dropped a boom on the calm surface of a lake. People who were just chilling suddenly got up and started hustling. Interesting, right? Now, let's take a trip down memory lane and talk about Alibaba's personnel history. There was one outstanding performer named Jiang Fan. Back in 2014, Alibaba came up with an all-in mobile strategy, and they entrusted the development and operation of Taobao mobile application to Jiang Fan. Under his leadership, Taobao went through major facelift. They revamped their processes, redesigned the interface, and ditched some of the old PC-style approaches in favor of mobile-friendly experience. They managed to cut down the average checkout time to less than 10 seconds, which greatly improved the user experience. And even when Jiang Fan was exiled to overseas operations, he still shined bright. Since he took charge, Alibaba's international business have been 6 consecutive quarters of rapid growth. Year-over-year growth rate for the first 3 quarters of this year were 41%, 60%, and 73% respectively. It's been a standout performer in Alibaba's financial report. Here's the ironic part. Alibaba hasn't been able to find a second Jiang Fan since the mobile revolution. And guess what? Jiang Fan wasn't even an internal talent. They were one of those parachuted professional managers. Does this mean that Alibaba's talent development system has some issues? Well, Daniel Wu has already recognized the seriousness of this problem. That's why he's putting one of the focuses on the young people in the company. So bring in young blood. I gonna see Alibaba this time is making the right move. Just to put ourselves in the shoes. If we were Alibaba's employee and you were given a chance to shine at your age, or if it was you who got that opportunity and a brand new mission, you'd naturally be super motivated and go all out to get the job done, right? That's why youthfulfication is a top priority for Alibaba right now. The youth brings new ideas, energy, creativity, and a spirit of adventure. When a company on a smooth upward trajectory, having experienced and steady managers can bring stability. But when a company is going through a turning point, I think young folks can bring more possibilities to the table. Do you agree with me, my friend? As we all know that Jack Ma has ever said, Alibaba's aim to be a 102 years old company, and that means they need a consistent influx of fresh talent. And when it comes to the management team, the young guys play a crucial role. So it looks like Alibaba is on the right track. And we're excited to see how these young folks will bring about some exciting changes for the company. This is very good change that we investors would like to see. So if we were talking about Alibaba's first change starting from the people, then the second change has gonna come from the tech side. It's only when they make some breakthrough in technology that they can really create more possibilities for the company. Right now, Alibaba's whole business is built on the traditional computing, but in the future, AI computing is expected to reshape everything. Unfortunately, the unstable leadership team is causing talent to leave recently, and it's directly holding back Alibaba Cloud's progress in developing big models and ChatGPT-like products. In March this year, Yang Hongxia, the head leader who was in charge of development of Alibaba's M6 big model, left the company and joined ByteDance AI lab to work on their own big language model. Just over a month later, Alibaba Cloud released their own ChatGPT-like model called 通义千问. But they were a month behind their competitor Baidu. Right now, Alibaba is still lagging behind in the big model field. Baidu has the largest AI model in terms of parameters in China, while Alibaba's most powerful model parameters are still in the hundreds of billions. On top of that, in the recent ending months of November, Alibaba Cloud had two major outages. One happened right after Double 11 Day, which we have also known is very big day for Alibaba, right? Starting on the evening on November 12th and lasting for about 3.5 hours. Then on November 27th, another outage hit, affecting database management products in Beijing, Shanghai, Hangzhou, Shenzhen, Qingdao, Hong Kong, and even the other eastern and western United States regions. And we have ever mentioned that influence in the former video. If you'd like to know about this, you can check the link here. Okay, for Alibaba Cloud, what's more important than making tech judgments is actually managing the technology. And that's a role only the CEO can handle. Both insiders and outsiders are hoping for Wang return, who is the founder of the first CEO of Alibaba Cloud. Wang Jian has been playing a crucial role in guiding Alibaba Cloud's tech direction. but he's no longer part of the management team. Well, lastly, I just want to say in this uncertain era, we investors of Alibaba are really hoping that this change in Alibaba brings some new opportunities. God bless, man. I will keep an eye on Alibaba's transformation, and if you are following Alibaba too, make sure to subscribe my channel, my friend. See you next time.